Hi there, my name is Rodney Chang. I'm the Chief of Anesthesia at California Hospital in Los Angeles. I wanted to share my thoughts on a product that I've been demoing for about a week now. It's called the PhotoFast Intelligent Personal Air Purifier. And basically what it is it's a device. It's a mask that has N95 grade filter on it, and it has a motor that cycles fresh air in, and has a little. The fresh air comes in through the bottom, and it has a port on the top for the exit of expired air. The design is great, actually. It's the same shape as my anesthesia circuit mask, as you can see. So it's physiological, and it comes with a sheath and a USB charging cable, and then you just replace it with filters. This is a box of 30. Actually, when I first got it, I actually didn't think it worked that well, but it turns out it has 3 speeds. That's why. And then, so you can click it 3 times for the to get to the highest speed. I'll show you how it works. It goes in the sheath. It actually has a great seal on it, and it's size-wise, it's a little bulky compared to, like, say, my other N95 masks, but it's a lot better than this, which is a PAPR. This is what we use for COVID-positive patients. So, what are the applications of something like this? Would I use it? Yes, of course I'd use it. It's a great product. Now, would I use it to go to drop off some mail or pick up some groceries? I personally wouldn't, but that's because I don't have a problem wearing masks. I've been wearing masks for 15 years, every day. It's part of my profession.